I gotta get mine out. Damn, I should have brought mine if I had him out.
Yeah, cornhole boards.
What's that?
Yeah, cornhole boards.
Yeah, I won those.
Megan loves cornhole. She's a basketball person.
Yeah, I won the cornhole.
Yeah, light one on. Here. Oh, you got it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it comes out. Wow.
Now,
Dude, why don't we just do that, John? I'm going to take them all out. Let's just split them up. Let's do that. That's a fair way to do it. Some of them are mine, some of them are yours, and some of them are Troy's.
well, you guys aren't going to use the whole thing, are you?
Probably not. I mean, we had some left over last year.
No, I mean like, wait till tonight to use a lot of them.
Make sure that don't tip over. Last year I put bricks on them. Hold on a second.
Now, hopefully you don't burn your hands off.
Oh, I won't. Like last year when I went off in my face.
Yeah, you were so close to...
I was deaf all day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had a gun go off my face once. It reminded me of it.
Oh, wow.
Well, it was just one thing. He does one on my. There he is. He got bored. He don't want I don't want him hitting his new car or something. I saw one hit a car in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, I don't hit my car.
Fell over, hit a brand new truck.
Yeah, I don't hit my car.
Yeah, got it.
I can't afford to lose the Batmobile.
Alright.
Well, you gonna do a couple right here?
Yeah, I'll do one here.
I mean, we're gonna do them over there later.
Yeah.
I still think we should set the fireworks into the fire.
What, throw them in and see where it goes?
Yeah. Then we'd have a big bonfire. Oh, no.
There you go.
I don't know which direction to go. Zeus.
See it, and this is just like water. It was just like lobbed in the air.
Yeah, I thought that went...
When we were kids, we found a whole stash of 3/4 stick, and my buddy would light it and be like, crazy. We blew like a big tree, man.
Oh, the first taste of fireworks.
Huh?
First taste... Well, I saw guys doing a couple of zingers, too. What was the most expensive one you got?
I don't know, it was like 300 for 3 cases.
Hey, I got yours over there. There's 3 of them over there for you. What's that one, Sean?
What?
Cool. Yeah, I just lit one.
Yeah, I'm saying, come here, look.
Alright.
This dog's favorite game is pet.
She's been my I've started playing so I just
Yeah, you should have told me to write his name down.
This dog's favorite game is pet.
Yeah. I'm getting another beer there. You want something?
Yeah, there. Again.
Yeah.
Who's got a lighter?
Man, huge box. It was like $5,000 for this big box.
$5,000?
Yeah. You couldn't even pick it up. You had to. It was on a pallet.
$5,000. That's insane. You gonna buy it?
It was probably like a whole fireworks show. You know my financial situation.
Well,
I don't need to be spending
I thought
$5,000.
you meant like back in the day you saw it.
No, it was just recently.
Well, he was telling us about.
Yo, baby. Those aren't bad. It's like a good like M80 or something like out of that. Yeah. Those are nice. Oh, they're the same as last year, I think. The dude told me those are bigger though. These ones are. They're not though. They look exactly the same. I lit off a couple in my house.
But you were saying about the fire,
Those big ones look the same.
the missile.
I lit off a couple at my house. I lit off two at my house yesterday, and they were no bigger than I thought.
No, see,
You still had some, didn't you? How many did you have left?
I still have a block.
Here, look. That's like
Monahan,
like
play
with these. $40. Who's that?
Oh, that's Justin's family.
He's leaving? I gotta take a piss.
Go behind the garage. Don't be scared.
no,
At least you
so,
told us this time. Unlike the boat.
I didn't want everyone to be looking, bro.
so you bought the. So you were saying about the missile, they called it.
Oh yeah,
So-
the world record.
The world record.
Yeah, it was like 2 tons or something. Whole fireworks show in one.
Here, play with these, Monahan.
Yeah, I
trust
got
them,
a
they're old.
1973 Gypsy. Trial.
Wait, so you're giving him the test?
Me,
You don't trust
him,
him. See, give
Greg,
him.
and
The one that almost.
Hey, you could probably put it right in that too.
5 people.
You're,
And
Sometimes I don't like
hey
that.
guys, I'm taking a piss.
I don't like well, we're all doing our thing. I don't trust him, dude, because these bottle rocket type things, dude, sometimes they go right at you. Lauren missed her face by this big last night. Dude, it was crazy. Like, she would have got messed up bad. Dude. It like, went right past her face. She was sitting in a chair. It was like, it fired wrong and it just went right at her.
One of those big things.
No, one of those zingers.
Yeah, that's why I don't like little stuff like that.
It's crazy. These are my favorite. I didn't know you had miscellaneous shit. I got a couple of miscellaneous things.
You know, big rock hard.
Ooh, you got a
You never know, dude. It could come off and shoot right at us.
Oh, wow. No, that wasn't bad, dude. That had a lot of lit.
well,
You've had this stuff for years? So are those sparklers? So that might be a good thing for a pump.
Yeah, where the dam is.
Yeah, yeah.
These are for like
So,
kids. They can find.
Jeremy's like, yo, Jordan. He's like, if you want to catch the
neighbor brought last year. We were lighting them off, and the neighbor brought over a bag of these.
I'll put him. I'm like, Jeremy, what are we doing? He's like, what I'm telling you. We gotta go over. I was like, Jeremy, we're in a foot of water.
How much do those cost?
There or something.
That, now that's way more than $11, I bet. Is that what you just lit off, John?
That was
He let one of these ones off.
we got trying out of yellow.
What are these? Oh, sparklers. See, Lauren likes shit like this. Just like little.
Hey, Jeremy. You know the best story I have about you is when we were on the boat and Greg took your fishing spot. You were so.
Remember you almost caught that muskie or that pike, dude, and walked
Yeah.
it right when we got out?
Because Shorts was playing grab ass with the net.
Zeus, Zeus, Zeus.
Not bad.
See, then you got all them sticks and stuff. I don't like this.
Oh, that landed over there.
We were trying to get for Lauren. That goes.
What do you do? You just throw it?
No. You gotta have a certain way to do the propeller.
You're supposed to have a stick. That's what I'm saying.
Those are the sweetest things, dude. You hear that?
So you guys have the zingers over here, and they have old fireworks.
Yeah, but we need a new lighter. This one's crap.
Ah.
I don't like the dog.
Just be careful. Just be careful of the Batmobile.
Boy's car.
Yeah, it's not. It's technically not, but
Zeus, watch out!
Now you don't know how to be on all of a sudden.
Dude, I took 3 of them. Give her 2.
You're gonna help your belly. This is when I tell you, you gotta sit down and relax after you eat. Remember I told you that?
She's left me somewhere south of sanity. Still just growing up.
Like you gotta do the light.
It's like something that stays lit.
Jeremy loves using terminology.
But then like these types of things.
fine. She breaks the. He breaks the stick. He breaks the stick. Zeus did.
This will work.
Huh? Oh, you think so?
Somebody's got to be the chubby guinea pig.
Oh, he is. He's
Yeah.
trying to light it. And one went boom.
I remember that.
I can't believe you're like, hey, these look dangerous. Go ahead. Light them off.
I'll let you do it.
I ain't doing that.
Somebody's got to be the guinea pig.
That's true.
Zeus is. Look at Zeus.
Dude, get over here.
He got one. I think he got a firework.
Oh yeah, look. Catch it, Monahan.
Jump the fence.
G.I. Joe guy.
They're kind of. I noticed like those aren't really that like. They're like light.
Yeah, it was.
Helping to put an end to your worries about wage garnishment, asset seizure, and other aggressive IRS actions.
You see the little parachute guy?
That's it.
Monahan,
Yeah.
come do another parachute guy. Zeus!
That was low.
I think it was one of the M80s.
Here, Monahan, do another one.
Oh man. Oh, the parachute.
Parachute guy. Yeah, parachute guy. Catch it this time.
Oh,
Maybe make a little bit to the left.
oh, so
it
that
comes back
there's
to the
a
guard.
parachute guy in it.
Yeah, Monahan, when you put it in there, make sure it's aimed that way. I kind of want to catch one. I want to see what's in it. It's probably not. It's probably just a weight. No, a little military dude wouldn't fit. Zeus.
Still going the other yard. Because the wind's blowing so hard over there.
It might make it down.
Buddy let off fireworks 2 years ago.
This Independence Day, America marks a historic milestone. 250.
Oh, there we go.
Sweet.
Hold on, I gotta see this for myself. I know. I just wanted to show how far it landed.
I wonder if it's like a G.I. Joe type of guy.
Yeah,
Watch him run it over.
probably.
Scared the shit out of the dog. I was laughing. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, they all can't wait till dark, so they're lighting a couple off.
Yeah, well, that's you know.
I got some cakes there when it gets dark.
Yeah? Yeah. I'll come down what?
I'll let you know if I hear something.
Here. That's what the thing that fell. It's not a military. I don't know what it is.
Lauren thought it was part of the
A little army man?
It's like a big turd.
Yeah, that's really cool. That'd be cool.
It would be cool if it was a G.I. Joe.
It'd be real cool.
Oh, yeah.
You could probably sell 1 million of them.
Coming down the wire, I'm like,
I was so we were playing frisbee, and he got the frisbee up on the roof.
Wait, how old's kid? 4, 5, 6? How old am I? 4?
I had another one just in case.
This out, just in case. Just in case.
So right now we're all playing
Next time I expect you
frisbee.
to jump.
In a little bit here, we'll be starting fireworks in the fire.